Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a Good Grips OXO Omelette Turning Fluid Fold Spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. And it's on top of the 16 by 20 inch Artist Loft canvas that's stretched and pre-primed, and I'm not doing anything any more serious than adding some colors, or in this case some non-colors, as a base. I figure anything that I don't cover with the white will get black, or it'll get a color. And the thinner I make the white, the faster it'll dry, the better it'll be to put any bright colors over. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. Golden iridescent gold. Trying to give myself an opportunity to break any rules I might have stuck in my head. And if I make a mess, I'll fix it. Or it'll become part of a design. Now I definitely want something to wipe that off with. My spatula, I mean. I'm going to use colors I love. That's Orange Crush. I'm hearing the call to Whispering Wisteria. Which, now that I've seen it, I want darker. And I've got Red Violet. But maybe I want Periwinkle instead. That's not really darker. But this Frozen Amethyst is. This is Snapdragon. I think I'm hearing the call to some turquoise. In this case, I think it's going to be Cerulean Sea. And maybe something else. Maybe I'll mix it with something else, like Frozen, which should be very similar. That's probably more than I needed. That was a messy move on my part. I think a little more Snapdragon is in order. And some more Red Violet. I say some more, but I have a feeling I didn't really use it. This is Tickled Pink. Or do I get rid of my extra? Maybe right on the silicone mat. I'm going to embrace all my accidents, but I want something brighter. Yeah, I like that, just not without getting rid of that paint chip. Alright, that's kind of a start. Hearing the call to some Midnight Shadow. Or, I could always use Perfect Indigo, but I think the Midnight Shadow is what I want. And I don't mind having color on my spatula, because it'll make what the marker I put down more interesting. Okay, I want some turquoise, or maybe some frozen. Use a little cyan aqua with it. I'm quiet because I really don't have a clue what I'm doing. I want something here, but I'm not sure what's going to show up. Let's try the frozen amethyst again. I still want something darker. Okay, I'm going to combine it with the Perfect Indigo, because this is a great experimental canvas. I want to try some white pearl. I've got a toothy tool. It's a Wilton Cake decorating tool. It's the fine tooth one. And I'm only indulging because I can only do this while it's wet. After it's too dry, it's not happening anymore. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.